Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word lurking. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I had a feeling that someone was lurking in the shadows as I walked home late at night. Lurking refers to moving around stealthily, often staying hidden or unnoticed, with the intention of observing or waiting for an opportunity to act. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.